Welcome to this video, hoping to help you get started with laser welding machines faster and become a welding expert soon. List of accessories. Clean the cotton swab, main cleaning lenses. The diameter of the wire feeding copper nozzle is 1, 2 mm 1, 6 mm, and the diameter of the wire guiding copper nozzle is 8, 1, 2, 1, 6 mm. Laser signal line, mainly used to connect laser operation monitoring software through a computer. Wire feeding tube and wire feeding wheel. The wire feeding wheel is divided into U-shaped wheel and V-shaped wheel. The U-shaped wheel is mainly welded with aluminum alloy, while the V-shaped wheel is mainly welded with stainless steel and carbon steel. 1. Adding water to the chiller. First, open the front chassis door. Rotate counterclockwise to open the water inlet of the chiller and add purified water to the green area of the water level marking line on the chassis. 2. Turn on the power supply. Check the red, yellow, and blue wires of the cable. The red represents the olive wire, the blue represents the NZO wire, and the yellow represents the P-bottom wire. Connect the circuit breaker switch according to the limit number, and the circuit breaker switch should not be less than 64A. Turn on the machine switch for power on test. 3. Installation of welding wire components. Open the toolbox and select the appropriate copper nozzle according to the diameter of the welding wire, and install it on the gun head scale. Open the welding wire feed and fix the wire feed tube at the wire mouth. After fixing it, start installing the welding wire. Choose the appropriate welding wire according to the size of the wire feeding wheel. There are randomly equipped wire feeding wheels with specifications of 1.2-1.6 and 1.0-1.2. Choose the appropriate welding wire and wire feeding wheel according to the usage needs, and the diameter of the welding wire should match the wire feeding wheel. After threading the welding wire into the wire feed pipe, adjust the wire feed speed on the wire feeder to 80 mm per second and click manual wire feed until the welding wire comes out of the wire feed pipe. Finally, install the wire feed tube onto the gun head and secure it with M4 screws. Be sure to secure the screws to avoid affecting the welding work. 4. Start welding. Turn on the main switch of the machine, the chiller switch, and the laser switch. Turn on the laser switch, swing switch, and wire feed switch on the system interface. And select the appropriate processing technology based on the material sequence. Finally, connect the protective gas with a recommended purity of 999 nitrogen gas and a welding pressure of 0.2-0.3 MPa for the best welding effect. Secure the safety lock to the welded workpiece. Finally, start welding. During the welding process, keep the welding gun at a 45 angle and keep the arms relaxed. Thank you for watching.